I'd encourage somebody to come for sure. It's a little expensive at first, but that's the investment you got to make if you want to be successful, And this class is really, like I said, easygoing. It's hands-on. He teaches you what you need to do, and I would say you'd be confident after the class.
Jacob Hermosillo from Mesa, Arizona, here to learn how to rap better.
Alejandra from Mesa, Arizona, and I'm here to get experience and learn how to rap.
Michael Davis, I'm from Sacramento, California, and I'm here because I want to get my own business started with vinyl wrapping and all sorts of auto detailing.
My name is Daniel Leyva. I'm from Sacramento, California. I came here with my brother, Michael Davis. We came here to learn how to wrap cars properly, not on YouTube or nothing like that. We really want to get that hands-on experience and get rapping down.
My name is Hussein Hamad. I'm from Dallas, Texas, and I came here because I want to be learning how to rap. I was doing a lot of research, and then on my Google was showing me right look. I'm like, man, let me check this out real quick. I saw the reviews. I was like, I gotta be here. I gotta be a little different. I gotta leave the state and go to someone who can actually know how to rap so I can come back and be good at it.
I was definitely a little bit nervous. It's a lot of information, a lot of details that you gotta pay attention to. It's just whatever you want to make of it. So, you take in all that information and, you use it really.
I was nervous at the beginning, but it was really helpful in the way that he was breaking up each aspect of the business, whether if it was how to quote, how to manage your time, how to do the actual labor.
The hands-on was great. Ruben was right there to actually help us, and that actually helped out a lot. Anytime we didn't actually quite understand something, he was able to break it down further than he already has, to truly let you understand and get the hang of it. So that was really helpful.
It was surprising, honestly, because everything I've heard is like, oh, you got to heat it or you got to do this and that. He showed us a complete different way that worked really well. And like you said, it's only 3 days. I was nervous about it only being 3 days, but I've learned so much in the past 3 days.
I basically got a chance to see it, how to do it properly. And I got to practice that theory and having constant supervision so that if Ruben noticed that I was messing up something, he would quickly stop me with like, hey, you can do this like this, or you can fix it this way. So that is a big difference from watching it on a YouTube video or watching it somewhere else, because you don't have that supervision, or some issues might occur in a later time that if you don't know how to address it, then it just stays there.
I'd see him do something, and then I was wanting to do it myself, but he actually tears it off, lets you do it yourself. And like you said, he doesn't just show you how to do it, you actually get to do it yourself.
It definitely made me more comfortable, helped me, I guess, look up to him, so to speak, to actually really put my trust in him to actually knows what he's doing. And then when he actually did it, it was like, wow, his techniques actually work for sure.
For me, the business aspect is extremely important. Running the business and doing the quotes and offering the product is 75% of the business, Laying the vinyl down is a small part of it. Ruben dove into how these products are actually manufactured in comparison and how each one of them reacts because of how they are manufactured. I think that was one big thing that I was missing, was the difference between the cast and the calendar.
I'd encourage somebody to come for sure. It's a little expensive at first, but that's the investment you got to make if you want to be successful, And this class is really, like I said, easygoing. It's hands-on. He teaches you what you need to do, and I would say you'd be confident after the class.
Yeah, I mean, if you guys feel like you want to rap in the future, come to this class, teach you a lot of stuff, a lot of secrets, and get your way out.
My name is Michael Davis. Me and my brother, Daniel Leyva, we're going to be over in Sacramento at Four Corners Graphics, and I just wanted to thank Ruben and everyone at Right Look for showing us the the right way and quality work.
Name's Daniel Leyva. I came here with Michael Davis, my brother. You see us on Instagram, probably YouTube too. Just give us a follow our pages, show some support.
My name is Jacob Hermosillo, Mesa, Arizona. Look us up on Rad AZ Concepts on Instagram, Facebook.
Alejandra, Mesa, Arizona, and this is a wonderful class. I do recommend this for sure, and look us up. We'll be for sure appearing in your guys' feed later on.